Here we go. That is a wolf. What is that, a wolf? I think that's a wolf. Wow. Holy fuck. They killed an elk and they're eating it. There's three. There's 3 wolves and they're eating an elk. 3 wolves are eating an elk. That's what's happening. That is what's happening. They're eating an elk. There's 3. Wow. There's 3.
3?
Yeah.
Yeah, there is. They're eating it. Too bad we weren't here when they killed them.
You think I can get the video from within the binoculars? Well, that's not how it works, right? Alright. Yeah. No, I got a little video. They like picked it up. You could see the whole thing.
Really?
You could see the bloody rib cage as they picked it up. I got that. Who knows? Probably a female. Oh man.
Oh, there's another one. The 4th one just came up.
Where?
To the left.
That's from the generations of wolves that they put here.
Yeah.
They aren't original Yellowstone.
He's too far. It's too far.
Goodness. Whew. Gosh. Wow.
Oh, it is a male. I see that. Too bad we weren't here when it happened.
Yeah.
You know, it happened just a few minutes. You know, it was probably like 10 minutes ago. You could actually watch them out there chasing it, tearing it down.
It's an elk. It's not a moose. Wow. Wow. Okay. Whew. Okay. Whew. By the way, that's Biscayne Basin over there. That exploded, so we can't go over there. But can't go that way. But there's the wolves. They eat the elk. They're eating the elk. Pretty crazy. That was crazy. Anyway, pretty awesome. Well, we saw wolves on our last day. We thought it was a bear, but it was wolves. Go back in the woods. Yeah. Well, hope you liked the first Yellowstone of this day, huh? We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.